Hey friends, we're gonna play safe or dangerous. So we're gonna look at different choices and we're gonna make the choice that's the safest. Okay? So we're gonna start with touching fire and touching ice. Which one is safe to touch? Should we ever touch fire? No. Let's touch the ice. Okay, we have two choices. We're gonna decide which one is safe to drink. Should we drink laundry soap or milk? We should drink milk. We should never drink laundry soap. Let's touch the milk. All right, we're looking at things that are safe to bite into. Should we bite into an eraser or into an apple? We do not want to bite into an eraser. Let's bite into the apple. Good choice. Where is it safe to cross? Where there are no cars and there's a crosswalk? Or where there are cars and no crosswalk? We want to cross where there are no cars and there's a crosswalk. Crosswalks are lines in the street that tell us it's safe to cross there. But we want to stop, look both ways, and make sure there's no cars coming before we cross. Which one is safe to touch? The table or the hot stove? It is safe to touch the table. Good job. Where is it safe to jump? Is it safe to jump on the bed or on the trampoline? It is safe to jump on the trampoline. Which one is safe to touch? The plug or the light switch? We do not want to touch a plug. We'll let our parents touch the plug, but we as kids do not want to touch the plug. We can touch the light switch. That's safe to touch. Where is it safe to play? In the living room or other room in the house? Or playing on the stairs? We do not want to play on the stairs. It's not safe. Let's play in the living room. Which one is safe to play with? Can we play with scissors? Or should we play with toys? We do not want to play with scissors. We can only use scissors when there's an adult with us. We can play with toys though, those are safe.